Hi, I'm Jayda. Today we're going to make custom temporary tattoos. Here's what you'll need: a computer, a printer, a ruler, a washcloth, scissors, tape, and tattoo paper. I got this Epoch brand tattoo paper from Amazon for about $17. It came with 5 sheets. First, download the pictures you want on your computer. I like to use Google Images. Then use an image editor to lay out the pictures to fit the tattoo paper. I like to use the free website Graphic Designer. When you're done, mirror all the images. Next, print the layout using the photo paper option. Let the paper dry for a few minutes. Next, line up the sticky sheet with the tattoo paper. Apply the sticky sheet starting with one corner. Then use the ruler to slowly help apply the rest. Pick a tattoo and use the scissors to cut it out. Next, soak the washcloth in water. Then, peel away the plastic cover. Then, put the sticky side of the tattoo on your skin and cover with the wet washcloth for about 30 seconds. Finally, remove the paper backing. Ta-da! Enjoy your new tattoo. It should last a couple days. To remove the tattoo, put a piece of tape on top of the tattoo. Then pull it off. Repeat as needed. That's it. Now you can make ludicrous tattoos for the entire family. Right, Joss? Hug life! Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. Bye.